Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So we'll be using some papers from the March kit. I really love this pink paper. So I'll go ahead and put some of these. And that way I can sprinkle them here and there. And then this is from the April kit. And I really like this blue polka dot. So we'll mix and match here and there. And I don't have my pictures down yet, but they will get there. Kind of just eyeball where I think I want to add stuff. There's like no rhyme or reason for what I do. But let me put down all my pictures since I know that for sure, that I want the pictures here. Then, of course, what I love to do is if I have multiple photos for one day, like time period, like for example, this is a picture for the dentist, and that's my view. And, you know, I took the picture, so I'm just going to stitch on the top and kind of make it a flip up. So that's how I add more pictures to my pages. You just do little flip ups, you know, and that way it gives you some extra photos on your spread, or allows you to have them. Let me fix this because this is going to bother me because that's just how I am. It's a little piece. So then you just kind of have a little flip up. I'm going to use March numbers. 9 from the Cocoa Daisy kit. So of course you don't have to use these kits for what their purpose, I guess, is for. You know, this is a modern memory keeping kit, and its purpose is for documenting pocket pages, because they come with a bunch of pocket page cards. But you don't have to use that. You could break things up. There's so many embellishments in the kit that you can use them on pretty much anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a dentist. These are just, of course, printed on clear sticker sheets, and then I just place them wherever I want. They're just words that I type out on Illustrator. You could do them on a Word doc, print them out on sticker sheets, and voila, you have yourself a sticker. I should have gone around it, but oh well. So what I think I'm going to do is give myself another pink paper here. So I will use this to kind of hang over, move this over here because I didn't like the way it looked there. So give it some fresh. Peel it up if I can. I think I'm going to use this little flower here. There. And then that's from the March kit. So I kind of have that over here on this side. And then I want to add my journaling for things. Like I said before, these are just sticker sheets. Sticker sheets on. So this memory keeping or memory planner, this memory planner is for myself. You know, it's a way for me to document my everyday and the things that I find important to me. And so it's less about the kids and more about me. And that's okay. I think we need to start a mind shift of what's important to us in documenting our stories, and less about, not less, I should say, find the importance of your story and documenting your story. So that's pretty much what I want to say. And then, so sometimes what's awesome about the flip up card is that you can put the journaling up on the flip up card. So this is talking about the dentist up here and how I used to be scared of the dentist, but no longer. I found a really amazing, kind, gentle dentist. So it's really helped out. He's probably the best dentist I've ever had. So there is my journaling about the dentist. And it could be on the flip up. It's kind of hidden in there. Perfect. And then, so we watched this cute movie with Madeline. Well, actually with everyone. And it was just the cutest. It's Turning Red by Disney Pixar. Super cute movie. And if you don't know, it's about periods. Puberty, coming to terms with when your daughter changes, and the little beast we have inside of us when we have our periods. So it was kind of cute and kind of frightening for Madeline. She's like, no, I don't want that to happen to me, because she kind of, This is part of the April kit. And I'm going to use some chipboard from the April kit. I love the chipboard that Christine always places in these kits. And so today I will be using, wow, that just fell up. Feels like spring, because it really does feel like spring around here. You know what? Actually, I'm going to layer it. These are little tags from April. And I'm going to layer them, because I think some of them are super cute, just simple. So I really like this little circle right here that has like multiple circles. And then I think this would look really cute inside, kind of like going a little crazy bonkers. And I think I'm going to stitch across. Also some March little tidbits here and there. I will place them. Weekend Vibes. I will stitch on pretty much everything if you let me. So then this is a cute Weekend Vibes tag. Madeline loves to draw books, and she comes and reads them to me. Then I think what I'll do is I will grab, I think I want to use a stamp. Yeah. I think I need a stamp over here. Instead of this, let's go ahead and let's stamp in the middle. And then what I'll do is, there are some cute March little borders. I think what I'll do is use those borders on the top up here, because why not? I'll give it a little border on the bottom as well. Just a little border on the top and the bottom. Give it a little something else. I feel like this kind of needs something else. I think I want to use this Hello Spring right here. And then You grow, girl. Should be right here. And then I'll call it done. That's pretty much all I need to call it finished. And just journaling, little flip up, and there goes my day. It's pretty simple, my whole week. This is actually half a week, so I always split the week in half to make it easier for me to complete. And this is more mauve, but I really love the way this side looks. Just came out really cute. Thanks for watching.